Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are joining from. AI is moving faster than ever. What felt futuristic in 2023 is becoming normal in 2026. In this video, we'll explore the top AI trends in 2026. Not hype, but real trends shaping products, jobs, and businesses. 2026 is not the future we imagined. AI is no longer just assisting humans. It's thinking, planning, and collaborating. "2026 marks the shift from tools to intelligence, from single AI models to full AI ecosystems. AI agents in 2026 don't wait for instructions. They plan, decide, and execute goals end to end. Instead of one AI doing everything, multiple AI agents collaborate, just like human teams. In 2026, AI remembers your preferences, past decisions, and long-term goals. Artificial intelligence will not just show insights, it will recommend actions with confidence scores. Lack of data will no longer stop innovation. Synthetic data will power faster, safer AI training. AI won't just assist creativity, it will co-create with humans. As AI takes bigger decisions, trust becomes non-negotiable. 2026 will reward those who can build with artificial intelligence, not just use it. The question is not whether artificial intelligence will change your industry, but whether you're ready for it. If you want to build real-world AI systems, follow this channel and connect with us if you want to build AI products that matter. If you enjoyed this deep dive, check out our other videos on agentic AI, RAG, and no-code AI tools. Like, share, subscribe, and keep exploring the future of AI. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.